test this one.
Okay. Which welder is that?
No, I forget the model number or whatever, but it just
It looks like this. eBay, right?
yeah.
Did you put a
On
bigger capacitor on
Amazon.
it?
Yeah, I modified it. Put this one on there.
Higher voltage?
Yeah, it's supposed to like not blow something up
Okay.
when this battery gets too low.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
Somehow it blows something up for some reason.
I see.
Let's see what this yields.
Okay.
Oh, that was nice. I like that. Okay.
Is that what you're looking for? Not to be able to tear it apart?
Yeah.
Okay. So if it's too strong or too weak, it'll tear? Is that the idea?
Yeah, if it's too strong, it'll like just make holes through it.
Okay.
If it's too weak, it'll just tear apart.
That looks like what happened on the battery where it just made a hole through that
Yeah.
on one of those welds. Or a couple of them maybe.
But see, I'm thinking, so we don't have to tear up that whole row of tin. Maybe just adding a layer of tin over the existing one, so we don't have to tear up the rest of those welds.
Okay.
But might work, might not. We'll see.
All right. Sorry. So after it beeps, it blasts it with power.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's still coming apart. So let's try that old cell. Let me grab it. Oh shit. Sorry about that.